good day. This one is Porsche GTS from 2013. Currently we are going to replace its starting battery. As you can see, we have placed the backup battery in front of this vehicle. These are the clips. You have to open them on 4 of the sides, here, that one, and on the back. Now you have to open these bolts. Now we are going to open them. This one is the bolt star L key which will be used, M10. Now we will move the seat towards front. From the back door, we will open this one and this one here. You have to press it from here. As you can see, you will find this and you have to press it here. It will go up straight. Let me show you. Yes. And you can see this one is the bolt and here is the bolt. We are going to open both of them. Now we will move the seat backward. You can see that we have lifted the seat in upward direction. And here is the battery which is placed. This one is the bolt here. We are going to open it. As you can see, this one is 92 Ah battery installed currently, Varta with AGM technology. Now we will open this bolt and it will come outside and unplug the battery. First of all, we are going to place a backup battery in this vehicle so that computer system of the memory will not deboot. Now we are going to test the previously installed battery with the help of load tester. As you can see, it is going below 10 volts, which is very bad for this vehicle. It should stay around 10.5. Now also we are going to test the ratings of AEN values. As you can see, this one is 850 AEN and we are going to test them with the help of Medtronics. We will set it to AGM technology. Set AEN to 850. As you can see, these values are very low and it is showing that to replace the battery. So we are going to place a backup battery in front of this vehicle so that computer system of this memory will not deboot. Here and here, this one is the positive and this one is the negative. As you can see, now we have placed the backup and we are going to open the bolts and bring this battery out of the car. As you can see, here is the clamp. We have opened the screw. Terminals are unclamped. We are going to remove them. Now as you can see, here is the bolt which is grabbing the battery. We are going to open it, then the battery will come outside. This one was the bolt. Now it will come outside.
Here we are going for replacement of EGM battery with an EGM battery. जो वाटा है ये 95 एम्पेयर है और EGM टेक्नोलॉजी में हम लोगों के पास अवेलेबल है. जो इस गाड़ी में से निकली है वो भी वाटा है. मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. दोनों की बकेट डायमेंशन सेम है और टेक्नोलॉजी सेम है. ये इसकी ओरिजिनल बैटरी है जो इसमें से निकली है 92AH 850A AGM. और ये हम लोग आफ्टर रिप्लेसमेंट में जा रहे हैं G14 के जो कि 95AH है 850A है. और ये देखें EGM टेक्नोलॉजी मेड इन जर्मनी. ये फैक्ट्री फिटेड स्पेयर पार्ट है और सेम बकेट डायमेंशन में है. दोनों की बकेट डायमेंशन 100% सेम है और इजीली प्लग इन हो जाएगा.
Now the battery will not move from its position.
Now we are going to place the vent pipe. This one is the vent pipe. As you can see, it will go inside the battery, and all the exhaust fume gases will go from here to outside of the car. This is necessary to place here. Always remember to set terminal to the lowest direction. It will go down the most that it touch the bottom surface of battery, because as you know the terminal surface is tapered. Now you will see that it will go down and will grab the battery terminal properly. This clamp should go down. Both of the terminals are now tightly clamped, and now we are going to place scanner and remove all the fault codes. Now we have attached the scanner and checking health report of this vehicle. As you can see, there are some of the fault codes. We will wait for 100% and then we are going to remove them. As you can see, all of the fault codes, we are going to clear them. Now we will check the special function for battery change. As you can see, now battery is also registered. We are going to check charging of this vehicle. mode on. Thanks for watching Wajid Sons.